Hi and welcome back to Down the Shed. So this will be experiment number 15, the substitute. So look again at the water pipe analogy for the transistor, the lever pivot. So the water analogy shows a lever pivot in the water pipe, which is basically an analogy for the transistor. So what would happen if the base and collector were connected together? Once there is enough pressure to overcome the spring in check valve DE, 0.7 volts, there would be only slight resistance and no current gain. This situation should sound familiar since this is exactly how a diode works. So when the base and collector of a transistor are connected together, the transistor becomes a diode. Connect the wires according to the wiring checklist and press the switch. The LED will light up. This is the same circuit as experiment 11, one-way current. This demonstrates how transistors can be substituted for diodes, and this will occur in practice sometimes for manufacturing reasons. So here's a quick blast of the schematic diagram and the wiring checklist. So let's connect this circuit up. So we want 27 to 56, so as pretty much per normal, battery to switch, so far anyway. 55 to 16, 16 to 15. 55 to 16, and connect 16 to itself, collector and base. Number 15. 17 to 42, so that'll be the emitter going to the 3.3 k ohm. 43 to 3, so that'll be the 3.3 to LED. Cathode. 4 to 26, so anode to battery. So let's kill the light again. I'm going to put the middle one on, turn the big one off, and lights going out. So now when we press the switch we get basic light. So that is now the transistor working like a diode, although the LED itself is a diode. So interior lights. So that was experiment number 15, a pretty simple one, not a lot to go with. Standard transistor biasing circuit is experiment number 16, and then number 17, a very slow light bulb. So those will be the next two experiments we do. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in the next video we'll be looking at that standard transistor biasing circuit and read up on what's what there. So see you in the next one.